Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gameboy Six's Nonogram. This classic puzzle game challenges you to reveal a hidden picture by filling in cells on a grid. The numbers on the side and top of the grid are your clues, telling you how many consecutive filled cells are in each row and column. Understanding these basic rules is your first step to mastering the game and solving even the most complex puzzles. Once you understand the basics, it's time to apply some essential strategies. Begin by looking for rows or columns where the clues, when added with the necessary empty spaces, perfectly match the grid's dimensions. For example, on a 10 by 10 grid, a clue of 6 means at least 2 cells are definitely filled. These forced fills are your starting points, helping you quickly establish parts of the hidden picture. As puzzles become more complex, you'll need advanced deduction. Use X marks to clearly indicate cells that cannot be filled, which helps you visualize remaining options. Pay close attention to how your choices in one row or column impact others. Sometimes, a clue can only fit in one unique spot, even if it doesn't immediately seem obvious. This systematic elimination is key to solving tougher grids. To truly master Gameboy Six's Nonogram, remember these crucial tips. Never guess. Always use pure logic to fill cells. Regularly review your progress to catch any mistakes before they complicate the entire puzzle. Focusing on rows or columns with smaller clues or many X marks can often provide quick breakthroughs. Consistent practice will sharpen your skills, making you a Nonogram expert in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.